Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best drones of the year, the ultimate gadgets to elevate your aerial photography, videography, and outdoor adventures. Whether you're looking to capture breathtaking landscapes, film cinematic action shots, or just explore the skies for fun, a high-quality drone can completely transform the way you see the world from above. In this video, we'll be highlighting the top 6 drones based on camera quality, flight performance, ease of use, portability, and overall value. From lightweight beginner-friendly models to premium drones built for professionals, we've got an option here for every type of pilot. You'll find links to all the featured drones in the description below, so don't forget to check them out for the latest deals and discounts. Now, let's get started and find the perfect drone for your adventures. Number 6. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is a fantastic value drone designed for portability and ease of use. Weighing only 135 grams, it's smaller than most smartphones, making it easy to carry in a backpack or jacket pocket and bypassing FAA registration. Despite its compact size, it delivers 4K ultra-stabilized video for smooth and sharp footage in a variety of conditions, including windy outdoor environments. Launching is simple with palm takeoff, while AI subject tracking and 8 quickshots modes allow automatic cinematic clips without any editing skills. Safety is prioritized with propeller guards, and indoor flight or navigating tight spaces is hassle-free. The Neo comes with a 3-battery combo, providing up to 54 minutes of total flight time, making it an impressive package for the price-conscious drone enthusiast. Number 5. Holystone HS900. The Holystone HS900 is an excellent drone for photography enthusiasts seeking high-quality visuals without FAA registration hassles. At 249 grams, it's highly portable, and its 4K camera with a Sony CMOS sensor captures 48-megapixel photos and crisp, detailed footage that rivals high-end smartphones. A 3-axis gimbal ensures steady shots even in challenging conditions, while GPS and auto-return features simplify navigation for beginners. The drone also boasts fast battery charging in under 1 hour and a range of up to 20,000 feet, providing reliable performance. Ideal for capturing scenic landscapes, action shots, or social media-ready content, the HS900 combines portability, durability, and professional-grade imaging. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 is the best FPV drone for immersive flying experiences. Designed for first-person view enthusiasts, it comes with a set of goggles that provide a smooth, real-time 4K video feed with minimal lag. Motion control allows intuitive navigation with hand movements, making it fun and accessible even for beginners. The drone features 4K 60 frames per second recording with a 155-degree super-wide field of view, creating cinematic footage ideal for weaving through trees or filming dramatic landscapes. Safety is enhanced with propeller guards, and the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries for extended flight sessions. The Avata 2 is a premium FPV solution that offers thrilling aerial experiences with professional quality video. Number 3. Ruko F11Pro 2. The Ruko F11Pro 2 is a high-performance drone built for superior image quality with a 6K camera and premium Sony lens. Capturing vibrant colors and sharp details, it surpasses typical 1080p or 4K drones. A 3-axis brushless gimbal stabilizes footage even in windy or uneven conditions, while night mode enables shooting at dusk or in low-light environments. Perfect for cityscapes or evening gatherings. The drone provides 70 minutes of total flight time across 2 batteries and a 10,000-foot transmission range. Intelligent GPS modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Planning make it easy for beginners to achieve professional-style shots, making it a top choice for those prioritizing cinematic aerial photography. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a premium drone designed for professional-grade photography and long-range flights. Its Hasselblad camera with a CMOS sensor captures 20-megapixel photos and 4K video with exceptional color accuracy and dynamic range. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safety with 8 built-in sensors detecting obstacles in every direction. The drone offers up to 43 minutes of flight per battery and a 50,000-foot transmission range, maintaining a stable connection at impressive distances. The package includes a DJI RC controller with a built-in screen, 10-bit color grading, and vision assist features, delivering a seamless flying and filming experience for serious drone enthusiasts and professionals. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the best overall drone, combining portability, intelligent flight, and professional-grade camera performance. Weighing under 249 grams, it bypasses FAA registration while delivering 4K HDR video and vertical recording capabilities for social media content. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe navigation through tight spaces or trees, while intelligent flight modes such as active shots, 360-degree, and quick shots enable dynamic, professional-looking footage effortlessly. The drone provides up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable with additional batteries, and an industry-leading 65,000-foot transmission range. With its combination of advanced camera technology, extended flight capabilities, and ease of use, the Mini 4 Pro is an exceptional choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. So that's it for the best drones of the year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Lightning Brains channel to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.